In this video, I'm turning 5 popular app icons into SpongeBob style. Let's start with Instagram. I upload the PNG, add a simple prompt and give it a second, and here we go. Wow, this SpongeBob style Instagram actually looks really good. Next up, WhatsApp. Upload the icon, add the special prompt and wait a few seconds and boom, we got a SpongeBob style WhatsApp now. Facebook, same process. Upload, prompt, generate. This one is kinda ugly. Alright, moving on to TikTok. Upload the icon, add the prompt. This one takes a bit longer. And finally, yeah, another weird one. Last one, Zoom. Not really social media, more like a productivity app. Let's see how it turns out. Okay, this one is actually not bad. Honestly, I really like this SpongeBob edition. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and drop a like.